Hello, today I would like to show you how to use a very simple function called SUMIF. So let's say that you have, like in this example, a table with the name of your salespeople, the month and the sales that they did for every month, and you want to summarize the first quarter results by name, or you want to have the values per month. So you are just going to do a very simple SUMIF. It's like that. SUMIF. Then after you choose where the uh, data will be taken from. Here you get what you will be looking for in that range, and then the range where you get the values that needs to be added. And that's it. SUMIF uh, AAG4CEC done. That's it. It's as easy as that. If you want to do the same thing, but this time for the months, again, SUMIF, I'll get column B here, and still everything is in column C. That's it. We're good. Um, I don't know if you have any question, but if you do, just ask me in the comments.